In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use class tracking in QuickBooks Online, specifically for those using the QBO Plus plan. Class tracking is an incredibly useful feature for businesses that want to organize their transactions by different segments or categories, such as departments, locations, or any other parts that make sense for your business. Once you have a good understanding of how to use class tracking, you'll find it much easier to manage your financial data, helping you make informed decisions and grow your business more efficiently. First things first, you'll need to make sure that the class tracking feature is enabled in your QuickBooks settings. Now, if you're not sure how to do that, don't worry. We have another video that expertly guides you through the steps necessary to enable class tracking, so be sure to check that out before diving into the next part of this tutorial. Once you have successfully enabled classes in your settings, you're all set to start using this feature right away. You'll notice that every time you create a new transaction or edit an existing one, a new drop-down menu will appear within the transaction form. This drop-down allows you to choose the specific class for the transaction. Selecting the appropriate class helps you organize your transactions in a way that aligns with your business structure, providing clarity and facilitating streamlined reporting. The real advantage of utilizing class tracking lies in the ability it gives you to sort through and filter your lists of transactions. This added layer of organization is incredibly beneficial because it provides you yet another way to view and analyze your financial data. Whether you're preparing reports, assessing the performance of different parts of your business, or simply aiming for a more efficient bookkeeping process, class tracking proves to be a powerful tool. That's all there is to it. By enabling and using the class tracking feature in QuickBooks Online, you can gain better insights into your business's financial health, making it easier to strategize and plan for future success. Remember, organization is key, and with tools like these, you're setting your business up for smart and informed decision-making. Thank you for tuning into this tutorial, and remember, if you found this video helpful, please consider checking out our channel for more QuickBooks-related tips and tricks. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to leave a comment and we'll do our best to assist you. Until next time, happy organizing!